I thought I'd heard the tuning of the orchestra strings. I thought the cast took places for the song the chorus sings. I thought I saw the leading lady standing in the wings. But then all I heard was silence. I'd sent out invitations to everyone I knew. I thought the Times and Daily News would write up a review. I couldn't figure out why no one showed for my debut, and why I sat there in the darkness. No chorus sang, no trumpet blew, no curtain rose, no lighting cue, no flickered light, no warning chime told the world that it was time for my dreams to finally fly. 4 years before this moment, I did everything I could to pave the path my plans would take, as I thought they should. When I finished the last details, I stepped back and said, it's good. But then no one cared to show. Now as the moment hits me, I think, who is there to blame? Friends, producers, mentors, there are too many to name. If I don't point my finger somewhere, it points back at me in shame. I realize failure's all I know. Now I'm the one I'm battling against. My emotions surge and rage and fence. But as I wait for truth to climb, a voice within commands it's time to let your dreams die. I thought that now was my time, when I'd done everything I can. Then doesn't something have to give? I thought the world would be mine. Doesn't my dream have the right to finally get the chance to live? From the ruins of defeat at last, I'm ready to obey. With a tiny trace of willpower, I find tuckered away. I somehow muster up the strength to weakly say, okay. Then I see peace laid out before me. I forgive myself for failing and accept what's for today. I release my friends and mentors from needing them to pay. I see there's nothing to hold on to but the grace that leads the way, and it's ready to restore me. Now there's no more waiting, no more strife, no more chasing down